In a 106-page complaint, attorneys representing Elijah McClain's family detail allegations of civil rights violations.
I think one thing that stood out was the nature of the complaint, the way it was framed. They had pictures. It was very compelling.
The 23-year-old died in August 2019, days after a struggle with Aurora police, where he was put into a carotid hold and later injected with ketamine. The complaint alleges the actions of the city's officers and paramedics that night were unconstitutional, calling them, quote, part of a larger custom, policy, and practice of racism and brutality. The coroner deemed the cause of Elijah McClain's death inconclusive.
The civil suit was filed because of a wrongful death. So a lot of times you can have one set of actions that leads to both civil and criminal liability.
The 17th District Attorney's Office did not file charges against the officers involved in the struggle. In the complaint, attorneys for the McClain family allege officers and paramedics violated Elijah's constitutional rights by using excessive force.
The U.S. statute is 42 U.S.C. 1983, which basically says when you're acting under color of state law, you can't violate people's constitutional rights.
9 News legal expert Whitney Traylor says this could be a complicated case if it even makes it to court.
But I cannot see how or why the city would want a jury to have this case based on just the backlash that we're seeing now.
The city of Aurora tells us it is still reviewing the complaint. Allie Levine, 9 News.